Aerospace Engineering. Career insights and innovations. Aerospace engineering offers a wide range of exciting and rewarding career opportunities. Graduates can work in various industries, including aviation, defense, space exploration, and emerging fields like urban air mobility and sustainable aviation. Here's a detailed look at career paths after a degree in aerospace engineering. Core career paths. Number 1. Aircraft design and manufacturing. Roles: design engineer, aerodynamicist, structural engineer, manufacturing engineer. Responsibilities: 1. Designing aircraft structures, propulsion systems, and components. 2. Conducting wind tunnel tests and simulations. 3. Collaborating on commercial and military aircraft projects. Employers: Boeing, Airbus, Embraer, Bombardier. 2. Space exploration and satellite technology. Roles: satellite engineer, propulsion specialist, mission analyst, spacecraft systems engineer. Responsibilities: 1. Designing and building satellites, spacecraft, and planetary rovers. 2. Planning and managing space missions. 3. Developing propulsion systems for space vehicles. Employers: NASA, ESA, ISRO, SpaceX, Blue Origin. Number 3. Defense and military applications. Roles: defense analyst, UAV specialist, missile systems engineer, radar specialist. Responsibilities: 1. Developing fighter jets, drones, and missile systems. 2. Enhancing surveillance systems and radar technologies. Employers: Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon, DRDO, India. Number 4. Aviation systems and operations. Roles: flight test engineer, maintenance engineer, avionics specialist. Responsibilities: 1. Ensuring the safety and efficiency of aircraft systems. 2. Testing new aviation technologies and prototypes. 3. Managing airline fleet maintenance and optimization. Employers: airlines, Delta, Emirates, MRO companies. Interdisciplinary career options. Number 1. Data science and computational fields. Roles: CFD analyst, simulation engineer, AI specialist. Applications: using computational fluid dynamics, CFD, for aerodynamic design and developing AI-based control systems for autonomous vehicles. Skills needed: programming, Python, MATLAB, machine learning. Number 2. Robotics and automation. Roles: robotics engineer, control systems designer. Applications: building robotic systems for space exploration and designing automation systems for aircraft production. Number 3. Energy and environment. Roles: renewable energy specialist, sustainable systems engineer. Applications: developing hydrogen-powered aircraft and designing energy-efficient propulsion systems. Further education and research. Number 1. Postgraduate studies, master's or PhD in specialized fields like aerospace structures, propulsion, or space science. Institutions: MIT, Stanford, Caltech, TU Delft, Imperial College London. Number 2. Research opportunities, contribute to projects in academia or government agencies. Areas: advanced materials, hypersonics, deep space exploration. Entrepreneurial ventures. Aerospace engineers can venture into startups focusing on, number 1. Small satellite development, CubeSats. Number 2. Drone technology and applications. Number 3. Space tourism and commercial space services. Skills and demand. To excel in aerospace careers, focus on developing, no 1. Technical skills, 1. Proficiency in software like CATIA, SolidWorks, ANSYS, and MATLAB. 2. Knowledge of simulation tools for CFD and FEA, finite element analysis. Number 3. Soft skills, 1. Problem solving, teamwork, and project management. 2. Communication skills for interdisciplinary collaboration. Number 2. Certifications, relevant certifications, e.g. FAA certification, Six Sigma. Global demand for aerospace engineers. Number 1. Countries like the USA, Canada, Germany, UAE, and India have significant demand for aerospace professionals. Number 2. Space agencies, private aerospace companies, and defense contractors constantly seek skilled engineers. Salary expectations. Number 1. Entry level. 5 to 8 lakhs Indian rupees per year, varies by region and role. Number 2. Mid-career. 8 to 12 lakhs Indian rupees per year. Number 3. Senior level. 13 lakhs plus Indian rupees per year, especially in leadership or research positions. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.aimct.in.